Good governance can do wonders for the future of a blockchain, while bad governance can actually destroy a lot of the good things that have been built and done in the past. And it's great that Cardano now has governance live, because true decentralization is decentralization at every level, including decision making. However, we need to make sure the community is heavily involved in decisions to have governance, because Cardano, as a liquid and representative governance model where a few individuals, the Dreps, have the responsibility to research and make decisions, while people who do not have enough time delegate to these Dreps to make their decision on their behalf. However, these people with few time still need to spend time getting to know their Dreps, getting to know what they stand for, and tracking their decisions. Because liquidity, the delegation of these people needs to be fluid. And if your Drep is not doing the best decisions on your behalf, you need to pay attention and to move it to another Drep. However, there's a big problem. People have limited time, a lot of calls for attention, they are busy, and maybe governance is not the thing they want to do with their free time. We need to change that. We need to make people care about governance. And I think the key for that is to make governance entertaining. And one of the best ways I can think of is with debates. Debates that are honest, that are captivating about some of the most important and actual topics on Cardano, the topics that everyone cares about and wants to see discussed. And this kind of discussions will be great for Dreps to get to know, to show people who they are, to show people who they stand for, but also for the people that are delegating to these Dreps to know what they stand for and to know what kind of decisions they are making, but also to have a more informed opinion, because they'll see people with very opposite perspectives and they will use that knowledge to create their own unique opinion that is likely a combination of both. These debates and these discussions will be live for the Cardano blockchain for everyone to see. We'll have AI translation to reach as many people as possible. And we are bringing also a very experienced educator, marketing specialist, and editor to this proposal to help us deliver it. And the best part about this proposal is that with a very little investment, we can have a very significant impact on Cardano governance, on pushing for better decisions on how the billions of dollars in the treasury will actually be spent. If you think this is necessary, if you think this is important, the proposal is in the description. You can see here the full name of the proposal to search for it, and don't forget to vote. And just search Drep Debate on the voting app and you should be able to see the proposal and vote. Your vote matters.